We're back. The first time in my life I've ever gonna say this. We need a smaller cam. The lobe duration is too great. We're getting rebound. We're getting boom, 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 boom. So I need to shorten the cam width so that we just get a tickle, you know, like a trick, trick, trick. As I speed up, as I speed up, it's more crisp because there's less time for the system to think about it. This is with the TMCC Cruise Commander. Volt rectifier bringing in 7 volts. RS Rail Sounds 4, big nice speaker. And the Chuff board is here. The puffer board is here, and my gizmo is here. I am not smoking at this time. I'm just setting up my lights and some of my other stuff. We have flicker fire, headlight, cab light, and rear warning lights, and they go white when I go put it in reverse. So I've got the lights and the chuff and the sound and the controls worked out. It is, you know, verified after quite a bit of work done over here, but it seems to be holding up pretty good. Doesn't take much. Still carrying the signal. Getting a little hum out of that motor. Now we're hitting noise, you know, just full speed. Then I hit the brakes. It's got better brakes than my Corvette. One, two, three. It holds it down long enough that it can give us three tricks. It's only supposed to bounce. It's not supposed to bounce. It's supposed to give us one. I wonder if I have something done poorly. I don't know. I don't have the motor wired in, so the fan motor. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to do something about that. Let me try this little experiment right now and see. Yeah, as long as you hold it down, it repeats. I thought it was a one-shot. It just triggered and held. It did before. Wonder if I have something crossed in some fashion on this. I'll talk to the designer and see what he thinks. All right. Well, this is where I'm at in this episode. This thing all fits up nicely. I did a lot of work on this. Wiring, testing, whatnot. These are going to be the lights. When the motor's energized, these lights come on, so that means I am moving. The white light means we're going backwards. If I change direction, the red light means I'm coming at you. Get out of the hell away, okay? So that works pretty good. We got the voices.
How's that track look? Are we clear? Over. Negative. Hold your position. Over.
Right.
Copy that. Out. How's that track look? Are we clear? Over. Affirmative. The track is yours. Over.
To get the affirmative, you have to hit the auxiliary 2 button, aux 2. But when I hit aux 2, watch this. I'm so close up I can't see where the hell I am. Here we go. Now better. There we go. So when I hit aux 2 again, comes on. But if I hit aux 2 to make that command like I just did.
Dispatcher, you're cleared onto the main. Over.
Positive, negative.
Roger that.
But
Clear.
after that, look, lights out. Get it back on, we're okay. And of course, when we're stopped, there's no power to the motor, so there's no energy to the light. I think if I put a capacitor on there, I think that'll give us a little buffer so that flickering won't be flickering. I don't know what it's seeing. I guess it's seeing the pulse, the fields change as it goes through the rotor, but because it smooths out as you go faster. Of course, you got to go 900 miles an hour to get enough power out of it. That's part of the deal. I could have done a relay maybe. I mean, there's other ways of doing it, I suppose. I don't know. This thing is not even pulling a half an amp. With all this stuff, there it goes up to 6.6. It's a great horn though, isn't it? For a little Atlantic pulling that Indian motorcycle, it's going to be pretty great. All right. Well, I can see by Mickey's hand on the wall, it's time to take out the garbage. So I guess I'm going to have to stop here and fiddle with the smoke tomorrow, sadly. See if I shut down sequence is still working. And it is. But if the power's on, the lights are on. Because that's an auxiliary. It's not through the controller. Taillight's out. Because the motor's dead. Okay. It's back together. The tender cover fits nicely. All the wires are routed in a nice way. I just have to now... wow, I have to look at his tender and try not to screw up his paint job while I mount it and anything else. And then I'm going to have to do my headlights and the green lights. I have the green lights. I haven't done anything. I have to, again, I'm going to have to drill holes in his tender and his engine. It just makes me nervous. I hate it. I don't mind doing mine. If I screw them up, I don't care, but someone else's is always nerve-wracking. All right, well, this is it. Calling it quits for tonight. Not without trauma, but we're over it. Everything is hunky-dunky. All right? Later, gang.